Hey guys, welcome to this Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to change gestures in Samsung. So if you're using this gesture button as your back, menu, and then the home button in your Samsung Galaxy phone, now this video is going to walk you through how you can easily change the gesture button on your device. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change gestures in Samsung, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. So you can just swipe down the control center like this, and then click on this settings icon at the top right. Or better still, while on the app page, you can just come here, search for settings, then click on it. Once the settings page opens, you just need to scroll down and click on display. Now once you selected the display on the display page, scroll down the page until you get to navigation bar, click on that. Now once you select the navigation bar, you see swipe gestures enabled. Now to change swipe gesture, just come here and click on buttons. Then hang on for this to take effect. Once it take effect, you're going to see buttons comes up on the navigation. Now click on more options to adjust the buttons. If you want to change the back button or the button order, choose between the two. Then you're going to have your back button here, menu, and home button here like this. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead and hit the back button. And that is going to change gesture in your Samsung phone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.